Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Chitrang, please let me know in Java and Bluetooth chapter, what was the last heading we have completed the notes?
Okay, sir.
Chitrang, please turn your camera on.
It was identifiers.
Identifiers was the last heading in Java and Bluetooth.
Hmm.
Means we have made the table of
And then,
identifiers.
sir, we made a table of. Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Rules of naming and identifiers also done. No? There are 6 rules of naming an identifier.
Yes, sir.
Turn your camera on. So Chitransh, Aditya, Myra, today we are going to make the notes of Java and Bluejay. Today we are going to complete the notes of Java and Bluejay chapter. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Myra, beta, please turn your camera on. Aditya, you also need to turn your camera on, beta.
Okay, sir. So please just wait a minute.
Just wait for a minute so that we can start the class and let the others join. And after within a few while, we are going to start. Okay? So write down the first heading, separators. I'm just sharing my screen with you. Just a minute. Chitransh, you are also requested, please. Myra, you are also requested to turn your camera on. Ujjwal,
Sir, just a minute.
you are also requested to turn your camera on. I'm writing a message in the chat box. Please look at this.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Chitransh, Myra, Ujjwal, if you will not turn your camera on, I'll just. Myra, Ujjwal, you also are requested. Samrid, please turn your camera on. So today I'm just repeating once again. Today we are going to complete the notes of Java and Bluejay. I'm just sharing my screen with you. Whatsoever I'm typing, even though I'm dictating, you have to write into the notebook. Okay, Samrid, you are looking smart. Sure. So let's start with the topic. I hope my screen is visible. Is it visible? My screen is visible.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Now
No,
it
sir.
is. Now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have to write the first heading, separators. Inside the separators, you have to write separators are separators are highly used in the Java programming language. Each separator has its own significance. Each separator has its own significance. Now you have to make this table given in your book, separators, comments, and uses. Right now. On page number 160, there is a table, separators, comment, and uses. You have to make this table
On which page number?
160, just after the separator. Once you have done, please let me know, sir, I have done with the table. Done? Let me type it for you. Separators, separator. After that, the next will be column, sorry, comments. The last, uses. The first bracket, in the bracket, for the bracket you have to write method, declaration, and argument passing. Inside the users you have to write main, string, arguments, bracket close. Next separator you have to write curly braces. Inside the curly braces you have to write block or code. Inside it you have to write try, curly bracket you have to write for, the bracket you have to write int I colon j. Curly bracket, again close the curly bracket. Next, you have to write defining array and accessing element. The string next you have to write semicolon. In the comment you have to write end of n statement. End of n statement. Int I is equals to 0. Next you have to put the column argument separation. Inside the argument separation, you have to write int I, comma j, I, comma j. Next, you have to write full stop, and full stop is a calling operator here. Calling operator. Inside the calling operator, you have to define system out print ln bracket next you have to use for each loop. For each loop inside it you have to write for array list a. Yes, beta.
Sir, we have to write this in our notebook.
You have to write this. You have to make this table in a notebook. It is already given in a book in page on page number 160. And once you have done, please let me know, okay, sir, I have done, so that we could start the next one.
Sir, I have done.
Subransh. Good. So write down the next heading, those who have done. Write down the next heading, operators. Operate inside the operators, you have to write an operator in a programming language is a symbol that tells compiler or interpreter to perform a specific mathematical, relational, or logical operation and produce the final result. In the operators you have to write. After the operator, next heading would be literals. Literals. Inside the literals, you have to write literals gives us the idea about the data types. And after the literals, you have to make the table of literals, which is already given in a book on page number 161. Screen is visible now.
Yes, sir.
Once you have done with the table, please let me know. Sir, I have done with the tables of literals.
Sir, what is the meaning of no distinguisher?
No distinguisher means like no separator in between it. Chitransh done.
No, sir.
I hope you are done now.
No, sir, doing.
You all are requested to please turn your camera on. Otherwise, I will stop sharing my screen. Myra, you never turn your camera on. Hiram, you also. Hello, I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Dave, camera on.
Sir, my camera is on.
And Vesha, your camera is on. Samrit, you also are requested. You are also requested to turn your camera on.
Sir, my camera is on.
Samrit, I'm not talking about you, Adit.
Sir,
Ajit. Yes, Ujjwal.
sir, we have to make the literals table.
Yes, you have to make the literals table. After writing the literal statement, literals gives us a brief idea about the data type. You have to make this table as
Okay.
well. Myra is not in the class, I think, because she is not responding. Hiram is also not in the class. Huh? Chalo, theek hai beta.
Sir, I am in the class.
Then why are you not turning your camera on? If you are listening to me. And Vesha, you are also not turning your camera on.
Sir, my camera is on.
What is it? I hope you guys are done with
Sir, done.
literals table
Sir,
done.
please wait.
Chalo, beta. I will give you one more minute. Hiram, chalo, write down the next heading. Escape sequences. Escape sequences. Sequences. Inside the escape sequences, we have to write if these are generally used in systems to give particular character and escape. Now you have to make this table also escape sequences.
Sir, this one also table we have to make.
Hmm?
So the table of escape sequences we have to also make.
Yes, you have to make this table. This is the last table you have to make. And most important table from this chapter. After that, we have completed our notes part. Visha, why did you turn the camera off?
So done.
Escape sequence also done. Aditya. Escape sequence table also done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, beta, we have discussed the book work now of this chapter as well. Chitransh, we have completed the
What, sir?
book work of this chapter.
We have
We
completed.
have, okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
now I am just giving you some homework. You have to mark question number 6.
The
Question
question
6.
number you have marked already, sir.
You have done the question numbers.
So you have made us mark
Achha,
already.
then
Sir,
you have then you
8,
have to
9, 10.
then you have to complete this work because when you will come to the school, I'll just check your notebook. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So Java and BlueJ chapter have been completed. So let's start with the cloud computing. So where did we
Sir,
left?
please repeat the questions we have to do.
Question 6, 8, 9, and 10. Question number 6, question
Okay, sir.
number 8, question number 9, question number 10. If you are having any doubt, you can just ask. Okay. So yesterday we have completed the comprehension in the cloud computing chapter. No? Comprehension part we have completed yesterday
Yes,
on
sir.
page number 170. So today we have to start from accessing OneDrive, I think. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So Ujjwal Agrawal is going to read these steps. From page number 170, topic is accessing OneDrive.
Sir, which topic?
Beta, accessing OneDrive in the chapter Cloud Computing, page number 170.
Sir, accessing OneDrive. First, scroll the start menu or type in the search bar to find OneDrive.
Let
Click
me
on
show
the
you
app to open.
practically. Let's suppose we have to click on the scroll menu. Start menu. Now I can locate the OneDrive if it is system or not. So let's type OneDrive here. Okay. Let's suppose I am just going to click on it. I have clicked on it. Okay. Next step.
Second, enter your email address registered with the Microsoft website.
I hope the screen is visible. OneDrive screen is visible to you. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Is it? Yes. So from where we have to discuss now? Step 2. Enter your email
Yes, sir.
address registered with the Microsoft website. If you are, I am already signed in. If you are not signed in, then you have to enter your email address registered with your Microsoft account, and then you can do the sign in the OneDrive. Next.
Third, the address of OneDrive folder of your computer appears. Click on the next button.
Hmm. Next.
Fourth, OneDrive home page containing your files appears.
OneDrive home page containing your
OneDrive,
files. Now I have these files in my OneDrive. You are just clearly seeing. I'm just highlighting those files. I'm having these files in my OneDrive because I have already signed this, so I have skipped those steps. Okay, I have already signed in. Next,
fifth,
fifth step as well. To view it, to view it, Ujjwal, start reading it.
to view it online, select View Online from the right-click menu.
We can select view online from the right click menu as well. Let me show you practically. Open in terminal OneDrive with view online. It is available. Is it manage OneDrive backup? With the help of this option, we can also manage OneDrive backup. With the help of settings options, we can also move to the OneDrive settings here. Let me show you. This is my account. Unlock this PC, privacy setting and all. OneDrive 1.5 GB use on this PC. How much data I have stored on OneDrive? With the help of this choose folder, I can choose my folders. Total storage I get with the OneDrive freely out of the storage I get from the OneDrive. It is 5 GB. Okay. Next, steps for uploading files on OneDrive. Now, who wants to read the steps for uploading files on OneDrive? Who wants to read? No one? Well done. Now let me jump the Okay. Adit Kumar, you are going to read it now.
Okay, sir.
And please turn your camera on.
Is- What, sir?
Please turn your camera on, bache.
Okay, sir. Steps Steps for uploading files on OneDrive. Go to the home page of your OneDrive and click the upload button. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the files option. The open dialog box will appear. Select the file to upload. In this case, we will select a Word document named sample.
Sample. First, we
Third,
need to wait
the
a minute.
uploaded file
First,
gets
अरे सुन
deselected.
ले मेरी बात बच्चे. First, we need to move to the home page of your OneDrive and click on the upload button. A drop-down menu will appear. Okay. Next, select the files option which we want to upload. The open dialog box will appear. Select the file to upload. And that in this case, we will select the Word document. इन्होंने क्या किया है? They are uploading the Word document. Next. Next. Aditya Kumar.
The uploaded file the uploaded file gets reflected in the drive.
Uploaded file gets reflected in the drive. Now the file has been successfully uploaded. Now steps for uploading folders on OneDrive. Anvesha is going to read it.
Steps for uploading folders on OneDrive. Click on the upload button. A drop-down menu will appear. Second, select one folder option from the drop-down menu. The selected folder to upload dialog box will appear. Third, select the folder to be uploaded and click on the upload button. Fourth, the uploaded folder gets reflected in the drive.
These are the process for uploading the folders. So now let's discuss the bookwork of this chapter, cloud computing as well. So first MCQ, which of the following is not a feature of cloud computing? Which of the following is not a feature of cloud computing? First one is auto delete, another one is storage, another one is backup, and the last one is sharing. So what would be the correct answer?
Auto delete.
Yes,
Auto delete.
Delete.
auto delete is not the feature of cloud computing. Next, the drive owned by Microsoft is OneDrive, Dropbox, Mega Drive, Pixlar.
OneDrive.
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 Good, well done. Which web app is used to edit photos? Facebook, Pixlar,
Pixlar.
It is Pixlar. Good. Next, which
Pixlar.
cloud computing application enables you to create documents, presentation, and a spreadsheet? Which
Google Drive.
Google
Google
Drive.
Drive.
No, it is not Google Drive. I know you are confused. Google Drive can be only used to store the data. But in case of Google Docs, if the
Ma-
Google Docs will be here, then it would be the correct one. So answer would be the OneDrive, beta.
What, sir?
OneDrive. With the help of OneDrive,
Sir, Google.
beta, Google Drive is only used for the sharing of the data. You cannot make the presentation and a spreadsheet with the help of Google Drive. That is a Google Docs you are thinking about. If Google Docs is there, then the Google Docs would be the correct answer. But Google Docs is not here, then the OneDrive will be the correct answer. You are confused in that scenario.
But sir, in OneDrive also we cannot create documents.
You can create beta with the help of Microsoft OneDrive. There is a certain software where you can create the documents. You can go through the documents menu. Let me show you practically. Wait a minute. Just a minute. Let me open. Microsoft OneDrive provides the software which you install in your laptop, which software you can create the documents. We need to sign in Microsoft OneDrive apps on Google Pay. We can install the Microsoft OneDrive in a mobile phone as well. Okay. And after installing it, we can create the document on the OneDrive. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts, Chitransh?
No, sir.
Do it practically and you will get the result. There is a software now. Look here. OneDrive is having a software named. Let me show you. Wait a minute. Uh, where it is? Microsoft 365. In the Microsoft 365, we can all do all things. We can create presentations. We can create a spreadsheet. We can also make the documents. Even though we can also save the document as an PDF. Okay. Basically, Microsoft OneDrive, the software 365, and in the 365 software, we can do everything. Got it? Chitransh. Chitransh, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's move to the fill in the blanks. Is an internet-based service which allows you to store your data without installing any software using web. What would be the answer?
Cloud computing.
Ajit?
Cloud computing.
Yes, it is cloud computing. Good. We can upload or download files up to 1 GB every 6 hours on.
Mega Drive.
Yes, it is Mega Drive. Is an office suite that runs in your browser.
Google
Microsoft.
Google
Google.
Docs. Good. Amazon Drives is an application by.
Amazon.
Yes.
AWS.
Amazon only. Was launched on 4th August 4, 2007.
Facebook.
Aji?
Microsoft One.
Yes, it is Microsoft OneDrive. Good. Now, state whether the true and false. There is only one cloud storage device. Right.
False.
False. Mega Cloud Storage is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux platform.
True.
True. Only Aditya is speaking. What about the rest? Are they in the class? They have turned their camera off, even after giving too much reminders. चित्रांश ग्रुप में बैठे हुए बेटे चलो next in Microsoft OneDrive your file size must be 50 GB or smaller. It is true or false?
True.
In Microsoft OneDrive, are you confused, beta? It is talking about Microsoft OneDrive only.
False.
In Vega Drive you have only 50 GB storage. So that in Microsoft OneDrive we get only 5 GB storage. अभी दिखाया था मैंने practically screen show करके.
Yes, sir.
लिख लो लाइक हूँ. चलो next. Cloud computing is expensive. No, it is absolutely
False.
no. It is false. In Dropbox, file size must be 50 GB or smaller. Yes, it is true. In Dropbox, file
True.
size must be 50 GB.
But true.
Yes, Dropbox will approve हो जाएगा. Now do one thing. I'm giving you 1 minute to rearrange these sentences, and after that we are going to discuss. Do it fast.
Sir, done.
Done. Sure. Let's start. Chitransh, what would be the first step?
Click on Start button. The Start menu appears.
That matlab the second one will be the first one. Okay. Chalo, Ujjwal, second step.
Sir, first one.
First one. Without clicking on the OneDrive app, you are just going to enter your email address.
Sir, fifth.
That would be the fifth one. So second one will be the first one, and the fifth one will be the second one. Got it? Now let's move to the next one. Chalo, who is going to tell the next one? Aditya is going to tell the next one.
Enter your email address
Yes,
registered with the Microsoft website and
now
click on the
fourth
sign in
is
button.
Dave is going to tell the fourth one. Dave, please turn your camera on. I just want to.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, the fourth one will be the address of OneDrive folder
Achieve.
appears.
The
Click
address of
on
OneDrive
the next
folder of your computer appears. Click on the next button. Good. That will be the fourth one. Good. Well done. Now the last one. Fourth one will be the last one. Okay. I'm just
OneDrive
repeating.
home content.
I am just repeating it again because second one will be the first one. Fifth one will be the second one. Okay. And the third one, first one will be the third one. Okay. And fourth one will be the third. And the last is fourth. तो फिर से रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, ध्यान से समझ लो, कंफ्यूजन मत रखना कोई भी. जो सेकंड स्टेप है वो पहला
Sir,
स्टेप होगा,
3-1.
जो सेकंड स्टेप है वो फर्स्ट स्टेप होगा, जो फिफ्थ स्टेप है वो सेकंड स्टेप होगा. ओके. जो फर्स्ट स्टेप है वो थर्ड स्टेप होगा, जो फोर्थ थर्ड स्टेप है वो फोर्थ स्टेप होगा, जो लास्ट वाला फिफ्थ स्टेप है वो हमारा फोर्थ स्टेप होगा. So now we have completed the book work of this chapter. Now only the notes parts are remaining that we will be doing in the classroom. Okay, and one more thing, we have to do the question number fifth in this chapter. Only the question number fifth we
Question
have
number
to do.
5.
Question number five, you have to do by yourself. That I will check when you will just come the first.
Okay, sir.
Any more doubts? Any more concern
No, sir.
regarding this chapter?
No, sir.
Okay. So are you, yesterday I just posted the syllabus into the class group of TT4. You were confused, na? Sir, only the introduction and Java